Well, hello again. I'm Bill Russell, president of the Lake Norman Chamber of Commerce, and we have another episode of Around the Lake. And today we have Brian Ferraro. He's with Piedmont Advantage Credit Union. Brian, I have to ask you, what is the difference between a traditional bank and a credit union?
Well, thank you for having me today, Bill. Banks and credit unions, they do have a lot of similarities, but there is one big difference between the two. And with that, a bank is for-profit, where the credit union is not-for-profit. So a bank has the best interest of their shareholders in mind, whereas a credit union has the best interest of their members in mind.
That's a great answer. What services do you provide there at Piedmont that we could expect? Do you have the whole array of services, checking, savings, mortgage? What do you provide?
Yeah, so we're a full service financial institution. We offer anything from your personal or business checking accounts to CDs to loans. Anybody that needs any type of financial advice, we have financial advisors that can help them with their 401k. So yeah, full service institution, just like a bank.
And I'm assuming your target market is anyone that wants to open up an account. Who all could use your services, and what's your market? What geography do you cover?
Yeah, so really anybody that's looking for any type of financial advice or any type of financial service or product, we can help anybody from opening up their first checking or savings account, trying to save for that first car, that first big purchase, to maybe someone that just retired and they don't know what to do with their 401k. So we cover a wide variety of different needs and services. Also, too, maybe that married couple that looking to purchase their first home. So, we can guide them in the direction of what the best rate is and help them through that process. The small business owner, we just recently, last month, we started our business program. So now we're able to offer business products to the community, Iredell, Mecklenburg, Davie County, a couple other counties that we work with. So we can help that business owner that's just starting out and needs to get advice or wants to get their business up and going. We can help them with that.
Brian, how many branches of Piedmont are in the Lake Norman region? And when I say that, I'm talking Cornelius, Davidson, Huntersville, Mooresville, Denver, Troutman.
Just us. So the town that you just named, we are the only one. We've been here 22 years, actually, to the month, serving Iredell County. So we have such a great member base, a very loyal member base. It's people that have been here for, so many years and just absolutely love it here. We get such a great response from our members that come in. They just refuse to work with any other financial institution, and they come here just for, I guess, the best service, that we can provide.
So you're located in Mooresville. Where exactly is the location?
So we're at 139 South Carnegie Way, which is just off of Williamson Road, right before you can get onto 77, right by the exit right there. So a little tucked away off the road, but if you're sitting at that traffic light, you can just look over and you'll see us there.
And at the conclusion of this, we're also going to have your website. I'm assuming that's probably the best way if people are interested in Piedmont, getting information where you're located and the services you provide is the website.
Yeah, absolutely. That's www.pacu.com. I would also encourage anybody in the area to just stop at the branch, ask for me. I'd be happy to help answer any questions they may have, and possibly get them set up with membership at Piedmont Advantage Credit Union.
Brian, I'm going to get it personal a little bit. Why did you get into banking?
Wow, just I've been in banking probably about 17 years now, and started when I got out of college. Like most people, didn't really know what I wanted to do, and actually started out in the steel industry and was doing estimates and got to go to job sites. I was walking on the steel beams and stuff, and I just thought it was the coolest thing. And I met some great friends there. And one of my friends actually left and went to a financial institution, and he just kept raving about it, loved it. So I said, wow, that's something I never really thought of. And ever since then, here I am 17 so plus years later. I'm still in the financial institution.
What is it about Piedmont? What is it about working at your job that you enjoy the most?
Um, I mean, I'd have to say it's such a family aspect here. Everybody is so willing to help everybody. I mean, I can call any one of my team members. They don't even have to be here at this branch. They could be in Winston-Salem, and they're ready to drop anything, help out, and do what they can do to help me get an answer or help a member. It's just it's just a very like family type setting feeling here.
And I know you and I were discussing offline that you lived in Mooresville. What is it that you like living? What is it about Mooresville and Lake Norman that you enjoy most?
There's just so much to offer here in this area. So like, I moved down from New Jersey. It was 2016, and really didn't know anybody, didn't know the area. And, here I am, how many years later, and met so many great people, friends. I mean, it's just, I've seen this area grow so much from the time I moved here to today. And it's just all such great things, such positive growth, and absolutely love it. I can go down the street. I could, go to Lake Norman. I could drive an hour. I'm in the mountains. I go down to Charlotte, have a great dinner somewhere, and see what the city has to offer. Go catch a Panthers game, even though I'm a Giants fan. So yeah, there's just so much to offer in this area. It's just a nice centralized area without actually being in a city. So.
Now that you moved to the region, are you involved in any civic organizations, Rotary, Kiwanis, in your church? Are you involved in anything?
Yeah. So when I did in New Jersey, I was involved with the church. I was some couple of other organizations, Big Brothers, Big Sisters, so Big Brothers. So I did a lot with that. A lot of charity stuff. I did stuff at the Children's Specialized Hospital. So there were a lot of organizations, and down here, just still, trying to get into a few more I'd like to get into. So if anybody needs any volunteer work or anything, I'm here. Would love to help within the area and do what I need, to do my part.
Well, now that you've said that, I'm going to get you involved, right?
Oh yeah, I know. I'm perfectly fine with that. I would really enjoy that. So yes, keep me in mind.
Brian, we appreciate Piedmont Advantage Credit Union being a part of the Chamber of Commerce, and appreciate you spending your time today to share a little bit more about what is the difference between the traditional bank and also a credit union. So thank you for sharing that. Want to thank everybody for watching the episode, and really want to thank Joe Vagnone. He is the presenting sponsor of this program and very involved in our Chamber of Commerce. So again, thank you, Brian, and thank everybody for watching today at Around the Lake.
All right. Thank you, Bill.